Hi friends! If you've decided to start using the Kraken exchange, there's one simple way to get more benefits right from the start. All you need to do is create an account using a referral link or enter a promo code when signing up. Kraken is one of the most well-known and reliable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. The platform has been operating since 2011 and, over that time, has earned the trust of millions of users thanks to its high level of security, stable performance, and user-friendly interface for both beginners and experienced traders. How do you use a promo code? It's very simple and takes just a few minutes. Click the link in the description below this video to open Kraken's official website. Click the Sign Up button, enter your email address, create a strong password, and select your account type, personal or corporate. If you're signing up via a referral link, the promotion is usually activated automatically. If you're creating an account on your own, be sure to enter the promo code in the designated field before completing registration. Remember, the promo code and referral link only work during the new user registration process. If you skip this step, it's usually impossible to add them later. Once your account is ready, you can participate in the welcome program for new users, where, as part of the current promotion, you can receive bonuses of up to $200 after meeting the necessary conditions. Typically, the conditions include completing identity verification, funding your account, and executing a certain volume of trades. Sometimes Kraken launches additional promotions that may include new tasks. For example, making your first trade, using specific platform features, or completing other simple actions. When is the bonus credited? It's important to understand that the welcome bonus isn't credited immediately after opening an account. First, you must fulfill all the requirements specified in the promotion's terms and conditions. Only then will the exchange credit the reward. Depending on the current offer, the bonus may be paid out in cash, cryptocurrency, or as trading credits. That's it! Now you know what the Kraken promo code offers and why you should use it even before creating an account. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel with a like and subscribe so you don't miss new crypto exchange reviews, tutorials, and useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.